Good evening students. In this video I am going to explain psychological approaches to the study of folklore, and this is for introduction to folk literature. So according to Cambridge Dictionary, you have to know what is the meaning of psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis means theories of the human personality that attempt to examine a person's unconscious and to discover the hidden causes of their mental problems. Folk forms such as folk song, dance, folk tales or indirectly explore and express the subconscious mind of folk characters, that means unconscious, and the hidden meaning of it also expresses the hidden meaning of steps in folk dance and themes in folk tales. Folk forms are closely connected with psychology, so we can study folk forms through psychoanalysis. Freud, Jung and Bose are the most important persons in the field of psychology. According to various scholars, folk forms are the expression of inner minds. It expresses various human feelings such as fear, anger, desire, etc. And Freud was an Australian neurologist. He was the founder of psychoanalysis theory. He introduced Oedipus complex in an article titled A Special Type of Choice of Object Made by Men. This myth, Oedipus, comes from Oedipus Rex, okay, and it is actually a Greek tragedy. In this tragedy, actually the hero marries his own mother and kills his father unintentionally, and Freud explained this tragedy through the psychoanalytical theory. According to this theory, the boy child actually loves his mother deeply, and this has made the boy to harm his father involuntarily. Next story is Cinderella. There are so many versions in Cinderella stories. It is a folk story. In the story, Cinderella plants a hazel tree on her mother's grave, and we can study this action in psychoanalytical point of view. She takes care of the tree and feels her mother's presence with her father, and she hesitates to be close with the prince because she is unconsciously connected with her father. And in the story, the shoe fits only to the right shoots. Actually, it indirectly symbolizes to fit to a virgin girl, and so the symbols such as the tree, shoes, or the expression of one's psychology. Next one, Hamachi. And this is another folktale. It was also noted by A.K. Ramanujan from Kittu. It is Kannada speaking area, and he called this folktale a Indian Cinderella. One day, a son asked his mother to give permission to marry his own sister, and his mother was so shocked and she immediately sent her out. And her name was Mati, and later she was helped by an old woman, and then she was working as a maid at Saukari's place. Later she married Saukari's son. Suddenly she was captured by a magician, and she was kept in his place, and then she was rescued by the same old woman where she stayed initially. This story also analyzed psychoanalysis point of view. In India, brothers are next to father. They are always viewed by the sisters as their father, but in the life of Imati, brother unconsciously wanted to marry his own sister. He wanted his sister to be with him always. And the next one, Jawaharlal Nehru was an important Indian folklorist, and he studied classical, folk and tribal dance forms in India. These dance forms can also be analyzed psychoanalytically. And though the folk tales are fictional, it expresses the real life characters and their psychology. It helps us to know the hidden thoughts of human beings. And I would like to thank this website because the key points I have taken from this website only. Thank you students, thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.